Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate new Relic for end-to-end performance tracing, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your new Relic account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the sign-up process. Once logged in, navigate to the APM section in the new Relic dashboard. Select the application you want to configure for end-to-end performance tracing. In your application's settings, look for the Settings gear icon. Click on the gear icon to access the configuration options. Find the section labeled Performance Monitoring. Enable the performance tracing feature if it is. You may need to install a new Relic agent if you haven't done so. Choose the appropriate agent for your application's language and framework. Follow the provided installation instructions specific to your framework. For example, if you are using Node.js, open your terminal and run the installation command. Once the agent is installed, locate the configuration file specific to the agent. Open the configuration file in your code editor. Add your new Relic license key to the configuration file. Also, set the application name in the configuration file to match your new Relic application. Save the changes to the configuration file. Restart your application for the changes to take effect. After restarting, return to the new Relic dashboard. Check the Transactions tab under your application. You should start seeing data coming in related to performance tracing. If not, ensure that your agent is running without any errors. You can also enable distributed tracing from the settings if needed. Follow the prompts provided in the dashboard to enable this feature. Review your end-to-end traces to identify potential bottlenecks in performance. Utilize the traces to optimize your application where necessary. Keep monitoring the data regularly for continuous improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.